Welcome, Panda-Frog here. We're doing the drawing for Panda-Frog 21 April. I'm giving out 3 coins this time and 3 locks. You all know my coin. That's why you're here. So the first coin I was giving out was for the male entry, and I only got 1 entry, so it's pretty clear. It's a forgeable brush, won that one. Congratulations, buddy. Send me your details via Discord would be nice. It's easier for me. The second coin I was giving away was for the joke I liked most, and I have to say Lock did a good job there. And the one I liked most was... The joke I liked most was... God damn it. Sorry. Strange day today, I guess. Huh? So the joke I liked most was, what is the best smelling key on your keyboard? F5, because it's refreshing. I really like that one. So, Starry, congratulations. I think I still got your details, so I will get it out next week. Blog-wise, I will contact you and ask all 3 of you, whoever wins the third prize now. Alright, so let's do the drawing for the last coin. So I got all entries in here with 2-3 times depending on the rules, and let's see who it is. Evil Arch Conservative. Congratulations! So we got 2 guys and a lady today. That's fine. And I have to say, she put extra effort in with dressing up as a little panda. So congratulations, Evil Arch and Polar Bear, of course. So yeah, send me your details and I will get the stuff out to you. Now we're doing the announcement. Yeah, we do the announcement now. Now we do it in the next video. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. And congratulations to everybody who won, and to everyone else. Better luck next time. Thanks. Bye bye.